Hi and welcome back to this channel. So today's mini tutorial topic is transparency grids. Do you see this checkered background? I don't know about you, but I find it really annoying when I have to work with the checkered background. I usually like it something like this or something like this when the whole artboard is white. So I'll show you today how to get rid of this checkered background, which is also known as transparency grid. You can either go to View and click on Hide Transparency Grid, or you can also press Command or Control, Shift and D, and then it just goes away. So this checkered background usually appears in our templates. Like for example, when you try to create something new, usually when we go into film and video settings, and you can choose anything you want here. And in here, under advanced options, if you scroll down, you'll see something called as more settings. And here there's something called as transparency grid, and which will also allow you to change a lot of different things. Like for example, you can set a blue checkered background and click on create document. These transparency grids are really helpful when you have some element and you want to make sure that it has clean and crisp edges and there are no rogue strokes or anything in the background, especially when you're designing something that needs to have a transparent background. So this is one of these times then you can use this. And that's all about transparency grids. So I hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching this space for more mini Illustrator tutorials because I'll bring in a new topic in every video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.